Hello, I'm Nate from Heidolph, and today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble your G3 XL glassware kit. We're going to start by taking your vapor tube and your vapor tube sleeve and sliding your vapor tube sleeve over your vapor tube like that. Then you're going to grab your vapor tube seal and insert that into the drive before sliding your vapor tube into that. After that, you'll take your swing clamp while locking the drive with this button. Screw it on. From there, you can loosen the second half of your clamp in order to get your evaporating flask on. Once it's on, you'll lock it and tighten it until you can tell that your evaporating flask will not be coming off. Standard with our G3 XL glassware kit is the 1 liter evaporating flask, but we scale up all the way to a 5 liter evaporating flask if you have a much larger process. Once you have that side completed, you can begin working on your condenser. We'll first start by taking your condenser, pulling off the tension spring and the screwing clamp for your condenser, putting the screwing clamp on first, followed by the tension ring. We'll keep that locked. Slide your condenser on and tighten the screwing clamp. Afterwards, we'll take your condenser stand, loosen the nut on your drive, and fit it in and tighten it. With the boss head and the clamp itself, you will attach it to your condenser. Afterwards, you'll add your receiving flask with the receiving flask clamp. Tighten until it's locked. Again, the 1 liter receiving flask is what comes standard with the G3 XL kit, but we go up to a 3 liter receiving flask for larger processes. That was how to assemble the glassware set for the Hei-Vap. Thank you very much.